You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the second lady and wife of Vice President J.D. Vance. How to pronounce her name? Usha, a name of Indian origin. Usha Vance. Usha Vance. If you want to learn more names from US politics, make sure to stay tuned. We got tons more coming up just in a second. Usha Vance. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.